As we continue our search, after some moderate frustrations, in a worth-the-wait moment, we spot the stunning western tanager. The colors of this creature speak of the tropical environment where it spends over half of every year. Resembling a flying tequila sunrise, this is a favorite of Rocky Mountain birders. Nesting in the high elevations of the Rockies, they enjoy feeding on the insect life in the upper branches of the pines, spruces, and firs. They also dine on fruit when available, such as in their Costa Rican winter habitat. What a gift it is to have the western tanager here in our Rocky Mountains.